I'm guessing it's probably about there. I've got
this window
compression
here.
bulkhead here, so that's probably a good point.
Okay.
If you
Yep.
can- if you look
So about a foot inside from these eyelets here.
Yeah.